Okay, so let's go over what happened in the market on Monday, October 27th. I ended up taking a losing trade. So, going into this is our Asian session, this is our London session, this is New York pre-market. Uh I did kind of go against my bias, which did me wrong, but at the same time I really did follow my rules. Also, the only reason I did go against my bias was because we were chilling above all-time highs, just continuously making new all-time highs. So, okay, Asian session we're going up, London session we have this little manipulation, then we continue higher. So I'm like, okay, maybe we could be looking for a continuation to the upside in the New York session open, which we did continue higher. That would have been the way to go, but I was just not as confident with it as I would be because we make new all time highs. We could just as easily have a sell off right after that. So, right here, we went into the 5 minute time frame. I took this trade on Top Step on my funded accounts. So going into the market, I was looking at this draw of liquidity right here to sweep if we're gonna find shorts, which is the London session high. So going into this, we have right here, we're going up. We take this out, but we still don't have no proper confirmation. I saw we had this gap right here. So we inversed it. Next thing I was looking for was some kind of 1 minute confirmation that we're gonna go down. Didn't get it. And then we went higher right here. Boom. With this high, I can't show you guys right now, but ES was below this high right here, meaning we made an SMT. So I thought that was perfect. So what happens here? We inversed 5 minute gap, small gap, but it was still there to be inversed. Once we did that, scaled into the 1 minute time frame. If only I could find where the heck this happened now. Okay, perfect. Scaled into the 1 minute time frame. We had equilibrium here from this swing high to this swing low right here. And then from here, I entered off of this candle actually. Right after we took out equilibrium, I was like, okay, SMT. Oh, because we also had the SMT. So the 1 minute entry was off of SMT and equilibrium. But with this, what I targeted was the bottom of this fair value gap right here. Whenever I'm targeting fair value gaps, one thing I learned is I should be marking them with equilibrium, and I should probably be taking them at the halfway point if I'm gonna target like a fair value gap, especially the bottom of one. So you see, if I did target the middle of that fair value gap, the equilibrium of the fair value gap, the trade would have played out. Wouldn't have been too good of a trade. I got stopped out. I had my stop loss right above these highs right here. It was a 4% stop loss. I could have got a 1.72 risk to reward, but I was going for a 2.5. And yeah, this is just what happened. I went over here, boom, we got stopped out. We had the SMT, we made the lower high on ES. So honestly, my problem was I probably should have entered on ES. If I did enter on ES, which I checked later, my trade would have played out, would have cashed out, would have been better towards the funded account. I did lose $260 this way trading two Top Step accounts. So I did go for a $520 loss since I'm copy trading, but the trade idea, the plan, everything about it was great. And yeah, we're definitely going to be back at it today. I should have made this video yesterday, but I was extremely busy, very tired, went to sleep early, so that's why I wake up early, 6:16 a.m. right now making this. And yeah, so today we'll see if I take a trade or not. We can see if the market is looking promising at all. Let's check this out right now. I'll just give you guys a pre-market analysis as well. Okay, so what I love to do, let's market this out right here, and I'll tell you guys what I think is going to happen. So what I always do, this is going kind of into my strategy here. Mark out 7 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 2 a.m., and 7 p.m. I am in Central Time, Chicago time, so this could be different for you. Just make sure you know what time opens for you. So market opens 8:30 Central Time for me, so I believe that's 9:30 Eastern. So okay, what do we have here? We have lows right here. Lows right here of the session, and highs. We could see if we made a high right here somewhere. Gonna have to scale into lower time frame. The highest point we made is right here in Asian session. Okay, so this is actually looking kind of iffy here. So as you can tell, going into the beginning of the London session, we move down, manipulate, and reverse. We're going, we swept the Asian session low, and we're continuing higher. So what I'm expecting is right here somewhere in pre-market when it opens at 7 a.m. in about 40 minutes, we have some kind of little retracement down or something, and then we could continue higher. This is what it tells me, but we're just making new all-time highs that I'm not even too sure at this point anymore. So possibly we could look for a long somewhere right here if we're going for like a long full TP. Target these highs right here, which are all-time highs. But yeah, we'll definitely see how it goes. Make sure you guys follow the Instagram. It won't let me link it in the description, but I could type it in. So just copy, paste it, put it into Instagram, and you will be able to see the trade I take. If I take one, if I don't take one, everything I say, I'll post it in there. You can see the trade I took today. You can see my P&L losing $520, $260 just on 2 accounts copy traded, and all of that. But other than that, I don't think there's much more to show here. We could go into our 4-hour, which is bullish. We have this 4-hour gap right here, respected. 1 hour. Possibly we could break this 1 hour structure right here, depending on how this candle closes. And yeah, I would say we are expecting longs today. Other than that, that's it for the trade recap. I'll catch you guys later.